Hold it there. You gotta hurry.
Yeah, I didn't mean to sleep so long. I was afraid I'd get into an accident last night from sleepiness, so I decided to pull over.
You slept here all night?
Yeah, as I said, I couldn't keep my eyes open.
There are plenty of motels in this area. You should have picked one, just to be safe.
I didn't intend to sleep here all night. I just pulled over. Have I broken any laws?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm free to go then.
Is anything wrong?
I'm acting as if something is wrong.
Frankly, yes.
Please, I'd like to go.
So is there?
I've already said there's nothing wrong, except that I'm in a hurry and you're taking up my time.
Wait a minute. Turn your motor off, please. In the course of my duty, I never take up anyone's time. Believe that, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No need to apologize. Wait a minute.
What now?
May I see your license?
Why?
Please. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice day.